here today at the Ŵyl Film Festival.
Well, we are in Aberystwyth today. It's our opening day and we have a big week of WOW films to show. It's the 24th edition of the festival and we are very excited to be here. WOW is all about world cinema, about places and people you rarely get to see on the big screen. We principally screen films from Latin America, South Asia and Africa.
And it is an annual film festival. It's the longest running in Wales and every year it brings some of the best world cinema to multiple screens across Wales. Festivals in particular are great places to see these sorts of films that we maybe don't always get to see very commonly in cinemas, or that maybe aren't promoted as much as others. And I think when you come see them at festivals, you're seeing them with not necessarily just like-minded audiences, but audiences that are engaged or will have just had that communal experience with you, and it's a great place to talk about these things. Sort of visit all these places around the world from the comfort of a cinema, which I always think is brilliant. And I think the real strength of something like WOW is it's a program that it doesn't sort of have a narrow definition of what world cinema is. There's a mix of genres, there's a mix of themes, there's a mix of ideas in the films, and I just think it's something so valuable to audiences in Wales.
I think it's very important to open a new world and show new cultures to people, and we hope that's what WOW does. We've brought films from Laos, from Palestine, from Mexico, so you get to experience Mayan mythology, you get to go to the Amazon and the rainforest and see the Yanomami cosmology and hear from the indigenous people. I think it's very special, and I think that what makes our films different from others is that they are very genuine, and you can see that people behind them just love film.
I came to Aberystwyth as a student, and I came to Abertoir, I still come to Kotatsu, I come to WOW, I come to touring film programs that come annually and stop here, and just all the other bits in between. It is just such a sort of enriching experience to be able to come to a cinema like this and share in the experience of watching those films with the rest of the audience.